Visit us on onestepenglish.education.
Growing English words.
Immense. Immense is an adjective. It means great in size or extent, great in degree. For example, the universe is so immense it contains billions of galaxies, stars and planets.
The universe is so immense it contains billions of galaxies, stars and planets.
Boisterous. Boisterous is an adjective. It means noisy and uncontrolled. For example, the audience burst in boisterous laughter.
The audience burst in boisterous laughter.
Prone. Prone is an adjective. It means likely to have or do. Lying face downward. For example, she is prone to getting headaches when the weather changes.
She is prone to getting headaches when the weather changes.
Sparse. Sparse is an adjective. It means thinly grown or spread, not crowded. For example, water is sparse in the Sahara Desert.
Water is sparse in the Sahara Desert.
Barren. Barren is an adjective. It means not fruitful or not reproducing. For example, we drove by a barren, rocky landscape.
We drove by a barren, rocky landscape.
Fracture. Fracture is a noun. It is a crack or break, as in metal or bone. For example, the skateboarder had a fracture on his arm after falling from his board.
The skateboarder had a fracture on his arm after falling from his board.
Riot. Riot is a noun. It is a public disorder, or violence, a great and seemingly disordered quantity of something. For example, there was a riot outside the mayor's office.
There was a riot outside the mayor's office.
Reign. Reign is a noun. It is the rule of a queen or king, the time during which the person rules. For example, once Queen Elizabeth retires, the reign will be handed to Prince Charles.
Once Queen Elizabeth retires, the reign will be handed to Prince Charles.
Drought. Drought is a noun. It is a long period without rain. For example, 42% of India's land area is under drought.
"42% of India's land area is under drought."
Famine. Famine is a noun. It is a widespread and long-lasting shortage of food that may cause starvation. For example, the people in Somalia continue to be affected by famine because of poor harvests.
The people in Somalia continue to be affected by famine because of poor harvests.
Let's apply your knowledge.
Quiz number 1.
Ready your pen and paper.
Group the words that go together.
Calm.
Silent.
rowdy, raucous,
loud,
quiet,
boisterous,
boisterous, loud, raucous, and rowdy. These all mean unruly. Little,
gigantic,
immense, endless,
boundless,
limited,
insignificant,
immense, boundless, gigantic, and endless. These all mean huge. Unlikely,
upright,
level, sitting,
prone,
face down,
prone, face down, and level. These all mean flat. Full,
meager,
scarce, plentiful,
sparse,
lush,
inadequate,
sparse, inadequate, meager, and scarce. These all mean rare. Damp,
arid,
growing, unfertile,
cultivated,
barren,
unfruitful,
barren, arid, unfertile, and unfruitful. These all mean dry. Solid,
crack, closed,
breach,
fracture,
disjunction,
fracture, crack, disjunction, and breach. These all mean split. Peace,
calmness,
brawl, trouble,
riot,
order,
riot, trouble, and brawl. These all mean rumble. Subordination,
dynasty,
reign, inferiority,
powerlessness,
administration,
reign, dynasty, and administration. These all mean empire. Plenty,
scarcity,
abundance,
drought,
excess,
dry spell,
drought, dry spell, scarcity. These all mean dehydration. Drought,
abundance,
supply, scarcity,
famine,
feast,
Starvation.
Famine, drought, scarcity, and starvation. These all mean misery. Let's apply your knowledge.
Quiz number 2.
Ready your pen and paper.
Choose the correct meaning.
Number 1. Mr. Ramos sent out 3 students who disrupted his math class.
The answer is boisterous. Mr. Ramos sent out 3 boisterous students who disrupted his math class.
Number 2. After Hurricane Katrina attacked the state, there was suffering in the area.
The answer is immense. After Hurricane Katrina attacked the state, there was immense suffering in the area.
Number 3. The Pearson family never forgets to visit their doctor yearly for tests because they are to cancer.
The answer is prone. The Pearson family never forgets to visit their doctor yearly for tests because they are prone to cancer.
Number 4. Canada is very productive, but some areas, however, are, and their growth is slow.
The answer is sparse. Canada is very productive, but some areas, however, are sparse, and their growth is slow.
Number 5. When we visited Colorado, some sites of the town were Rocky Mountain valleys.
The answer is barren. When we visited Colorado, some sites of the town were barren, Rocky Mountain valleys.
Number 6. Hong Kong is affecting its tourism economy because of the news of the happening in the country.
The answer is riot. Hong Kong is affecting its tourism economy because of the news of the riot happening in the country.
Number 7. Such a splendid Queen Elizabeth has given to her country.
The answer is rain. Such a splendid rain Queen Elizabeth has given to her country.
Number 8. Farmers dread when the is severe, rain falls rarely and in small quantities.
The answer is drought. Farmers dread when the drought is severe, rain falls rarely, and in small quantities.
Number 9. Despite global hunger levels falling, 1 in 9 people worldwide still face
The answer is famine. Despite global hunger levels falling, 1 in 9 people worldwide still face famine.
Number 10. Commonly happen because of car accidents, falls or sporting injuries.
The answer is fractures. Fractures commonly happen because of car accidents, falls, or sporting injuries.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Visit us on onestepenglish.education.